Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to put live wallpaper on laptop or PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So the first thing you need to do is to just go and open your Microsoft Store and search here lively wallpaper, and once you click on the lively wallpaper application, here you will find the option for install. We have to click there, and once you done that, you will get to see the option for open like this. We just have to open the application, and then here you will find there are many wallpapers available in this application, and if you want to use any of these you can just go ahead. So let's suppose I click on the first one, and as soon as I click on the wallpaper, you will get to see that the wallpaper is now applied to our screen. And similarly you can choose whatever wallpaper you want to choose, but in case if you want to use a custom wallpaper, there is also option available for that. This is the plus sign. We just have to click here, and here you will find the option for enter URL. You can paste any YouTube video link here, and from there you can easily use that video as a live wallpaper. But personally I will suggest you to not use this function, because the quality of the live wallpaper will decrease or increase according to your internet speed. So personally I use this choose a file option. Here you need to just download the wallpaper, and once you download the file, just go and choose that file. So I have downloaded this live wallpaper file. I just have to select the file, then I will get to see this kind of window. If you want to name a wallpaper, you can just name it from here. So let me name it as ABC, let's suppose. Then just click on OK, and yeah, boom, there you go. We have successfully added the new wallpaper in our screen. And not only this, if you want to customize this wallpaper, you can do that from here as well. This is the three dots. We just have to click here, and here you will find the option for customize, and from here you can increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, you can change the hue of the wallpaper. And in case if your wallpaper has any kind of music, you can mute that from here. So this is the option. We just have to tick that, and once you tick this, the music of the wallpaper will gone forever, and just hit on OK, and the changes will get saved. So this is how guys you can easily put wallpaper on laptop or PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.